Hello listeners, welcome to Business Analytics Made Easy. In this video, we are going to see how to protect the Excel sheet. There are 4 methods to protect the sheet, so let's see one by one. The first method is you have to right click on the sheet and then select Protect Sheet. Here we have the sheets, sheet 1, 2 and 3 and so on. Suppose if you want to protect the sheet 1, then place your cursor on sheet 1, then right click. After that, you can see the various options. You have to select protect sheet. So if you click that, a dialog box like this will open. It will ask you to enter the password to unprotect the sheet. So you have to give a password. Right now I am typing as 2020 just to remember easily. And then click OK. Then you have to re-enter the password, the same password 2020. Then click OK. So now we have protected the sheet along with the password. Suppose if I want to edit this marks, for example, the student has secured 99 in computer science. If I want to modify it something else, then I'll be getting an error message that the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. So this is how you can make this protected sheet. And the second method, you have to go to the file menu and click protect. So here you can see the file menu, then click file menu. After that you can see the protect workbook appears. So if you select that, then after that you have to select protect current workbook. Then you can give the password. Let's say giving the password as the same 2020 and then click OK. Now you have protected the sheet. Then the third method, the same thing, go to review menu and then click protect sheet. So here in the home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, after that you can find review menu. Then once you click the review menu, you can see protect sheet. Click protect sheet, then the same dialog box as we used in method 1 will appear. You have to give 123 or 2020, whatever your password, you have to give that and then click OK. Then the last method, you have to go to home menu. After that, go to format. Then you can find various options. Come down to protection and then click protect sheet. Then the same dialog box will appear. So if you click if you enter the password, then the sheet will be protected. So all are same way of doing, only the way we are doing is different. So all the 4 methods are used for protecting the sheet. The simplest method is the method 1, right clicking the sheet by right click the sheet 1 and then go to protect sheet, then give your password, retype the password, then you can protect it. Suppose if you want to allow the users to do some additional work, instead of they can only see, they can also do some changes in that. If you want to allow your users to modify, then you can give permission for the following things. You can allow the user for format the cells, columns, format rows, insert column row, they can insert hyperlink, delete column, delete row, etc. So whatever you are ready to allow the users to do, you can click those checkboxes. If you don't want the users to do any changes, then keep it blank, don't click anything. So suppose here I want to allow the users to insert row and insert column, then let me click OK. Then before that I have to give the password. It's 2020 I'm typing and click OK. Then again I have to re-enter the password, then click OK. Now my if you go to any particular cell and right click it, then it is allowing the user, they can insert the row or they can see here, you can see insert. Earlier this insert would have been disabled. Thank you for watching.